How's it going, everybody? My name's Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today, we're doing some mud flaps on the, front-wheel drive daily rally car thing we got going on here. Because they are universal fit, I need to test fit where they're going to go on the front and the rear of one side, and then I will just mimic and line up and basically trace out and cut the other side. So we're gonna get the driver's side done first, and so we're gonna get the car jacked up, take the tires and wheels off, and assess the situation. Okay, I've got a pretty good idea of where I want these to line up. There's like 3 holes in there, like with push pins, so I'm not even gonna trim this up. I'm just gonna line it up, pull the push pins out, drill through it, and see what holds them up. No going back now. All right, guys, mud flaps done. Thanks for watching. Peace out, keep drilling. I'm just kidding. Now we got that, it actually looks pretty good. It hangs down a good amount. Not too ridiculous. I don't know if it hangs out too far. I think it does. I'm gonna try and bring it in a little more. Not a huge deal if we have a couple holes in a mud flap or not, but it is what it is. Okay, I like that. That's a lot better. Now what you guys are probably thinking, why did you just measure it like that? Well, I honestly don't know. I'm sure it might not work, but if it does work, it's a lot cooler than measuring it. All right, I got 2 of them lined up, and yeah, actually looks pretty good. I didn't want to go too outside the flare here, and I don't really think that is. Found a new, much quicker method for this hole. You just get duct tape, poke holes through it while it's lined up on those holes, take the duct tape off, put it on here, and drill where the holes are. Last one lined up perfectly. How about that? All right, now that we've test fit them, we're going to take the other side front, flip them the opposite way, drill these holes, and then we'll get this mounted up for good. Okay, so the front is on. It is a little flappy on the inside, so what I think I'm gonna do is drill another hole and use a spacer for that. I'm gonna go to Lowe's, but I was doing some research on the back, and there's quite a gap here in between where it's gonna sit and where it's going to mount to. There's a bolt here, and I gotta figure somewhere else to mount to, but I want at least like 3 points of contact, something holding the inside in for sure. And I can't see in there, but I will in a second. I'm gonna run to Lowe's after I figure out what kind of spacers I need, and we will finish this up. Just got back from the store, got all the hardware we needed. Got the back mud flaps all pre-drilled the passenger side. Front's mounted up, it's got the 4 bolts holding it in. This is gonna be 3 bolts. And put it together, put it down, and see how it looks. See if we actually made it even, because I'd be surprised if we did. Now that we got this side done, it's on the ground, got wheels on and everything, we're gonna replicate the other side with the now pre-drilled mud flaps, and then we'll get the thing out and we'll see how it looks. All right, and just like that, this side's done. Good to go. Now we're gonna do the back. Got that one done. All right, well, car's on the ground, everything looks pretty good. I guess we'll just pull it out and see what she looks like out in the light. All right, guys, and that is how to do your own Rally Armor mud flaps for under $30. My buddy actually got me these mud flaps. Shout out to you, Jeremy. Thanks for the Christmas gift. They didn't have holes. You just pre-drill your own, save probably 80 to 90%. But yeah, I think they look pretty darn good. There's that side. There's that side. It should be identical because I lined them up, and yeah, they don't hang down too far. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.